Hey mates, what's up? Hope you're all doing well. Have you ever tried use an AI model only to run out of tokens credit right after generating code or image? Yeah, AI can be expensive, and the worst part, you usually have to link your credit card and give up all your personal information just to top up. But what if I told you there is a way go around that using crypto? So the solution for that called NanoGPT. Let me show you how it's works. Okay, let's navigate to NanoGPT. As you can see, leave no trace, chat are safe on your own device. We strictly inform, provide no trained models on your data, every top AI model available, etc, etc. So as you can see, you can choose the models. You have all those models. You can generate images as well, video. If you want to top up, that's a beautiful thing. You get 0.1 nano if you want to use nano currency, because that's the main currency this project using. They're trying to promote nano. I already use a bit of my credit, but as you can see, you can add credit card, can top up with Nano, and you can top up in Monero. You get 5% discount for Nano, but see, most of the major cryptocurrency are available, and you can see your usage, how much you use. Go for statistics. That's the free Nano I got, 0.1. Yeah, and if you want to generate videos, images, audio, whatever you want, you have the option. And here they give you an option also to get some free credit. As you can see, I have an affiliate link. I will post it in the description. If you want to use NanoGPT, you can click on the link and you will get 5% discount. You support the channel, I will appreciate that, but you don't have to. As well, you can see you have the API. You can use the API. You have all the documentation, all the models, the code. You have your pricing. You can generate API, documentation, as you can see. Yeah, many models are available. Okay, let's see the pricing. So that's the API pricing. You can see the model, the input, tokens you use, the amount. Basically, the API probably is cheaper than the website pricing. I didn't check it. You can see those are the price for the API usage. Website pricing may include additional markup. FAQ, frequent asked question. Let's go over it quickly. How does it work? Basically, you top up, you choose your model. How does the conversation? Can I create an account? You don't have to create an account. You can use it totally anonymously. So without an account, everything stored locally on your device. Conversation are always stored only locally, not on our server. If you're using NanoGPT without creating an account, you can still back up your data. What you do with my data, we strongly value privacy. You are not required to create an account. They focus on privacy. All the Nano projects basically are focused on privacy. They are correlated with the Monero team, I guess. Different projects, but there is a lot of collaboration. Is it legal? Yeah, they're legal. Why did you create this service? You can pay per request. You don't need to pay like subscription, $250 per month or $20 per month. It's quite expensive. What is Nano? That's about the project, the coin, the token. It's an interesting project actually. Not recommendation, but you can read about Nano. And there is another interesting thing here that I saw, suggesting you can send suggestion, earn money. So they give you many opportunities to make money if you watch ads. You get Nano, complete small task, refer user, the affiliate links, CPU to mining. That's what I want to share. You have more options here. There is another good service, Galaxy AI. The issue that they don't accept crypto. You can top up credit card with crypto, but I'm not sure it will work. They want recurrent charging. They have major models on the market. You can see all the models they support, but unfortunately they don't take crypto. They do respect privacy, but they don't take crypto. I will make a video about Galaxy AI. Let's see the way to pay. Yeah, card, cash app, or bank transfer USA. Let's stay focused on the Nano for the moment. So that's it. I keep a link in the description. It's affiliate link. If you want to support the channel, please do. And if you have any question, leave in the comments, send an email, like, subscribe, and I wish you all the best. Have a nice day. Cheers.